and that really has picked the winds up in Northern Ireland. And in the last couple of hours, we've seen those gusts reaching 60 miles an hour or so on the north of the province there. But I think that's about the strongest of those winds now. And as our low continues to push its way south across into the Midlands, eventually into East Anglia, that'll bring some pretty lively gusts into West Wales, the southwest, and through the Channel. But they won't be quite as strong as that. They're going to be around about 50 to 55 miles an hour, something like that. But obviously, with quite strong gusts through the Irish Sea, we have had some problems, ferry cancellations, because of this rather lively weather. Dublin, Fishguard, Holyhead and Belfast routes have been affected. Let's just set the scene now. We've had that nasty low move in. You can see it very clearly here on the satellite picture, that swirl of cloud drifting down across Scotland, now settling itself across northern England. And this is where the main concentration of rain is. Very heavy rain now in Cumbria and down through Manchester. There's some nasty conditions if you're travelling. And that whole area of rain continuing to sink its way south into southern parts of England and Wales. So some tricky conditions here through the evening rush hour. Thundery bursts as well. To the north, things will settle down, and behind that low, we should see an improvement with dry weather and also some decent sunshine in parts of Scotland and eventually Northern Ireland. The wind's easing here too, but they obviously will be quite gusty around these western and southern areas, as I said, and it will feel disappointingly cool, much cooler than yesterday. Now, a different process for tomorrow, because our low will have moved away eastwards and we'll have a little ridge of high pressure settling things down a little bit before the next front comes in. But that front will bring more rain into Scotland and Northern Ireland, eventually Cumbria, but elsewhere there should be some decent bright weather. And then as we head our way into the weekend, we lose that area of rain quite quickly from southern England. That'll move down into France and we'll be in a run of rather chilly, brisk northwesterly winds. So sunshine and showers for us this weekend, but just look at this cold air as it pushes its way down across the alpine areas. We could actually see some fresh snow here through Saturday and Sunday. It really is quite cold air tucked in behind that front. So if you have plans for our part of the world for the weekend, if you're expected to be out and about, the weather forecast is a little bit mixed as it was last weekend. Quite a breeze, not quite as cold as it was last weekend, but northwesterly winds bringing with them plenty of showers, especially to Scotland, Northern Ireland, down through and towards the Cheshire Gap and the Midlands. Hopefully by Sunday, fewer showers in the west, and you should get away with some decent sunshine. That's the weather